Brave New World by Aldous Huxley is a seminal dystopian novel published in 1932. It presents a vision of a future society where technological advancements and social engineering have created a seemingly perfect world of peace and stability. However, beneath this facade lies a critique of the loss of individuality, freedom, and the human spirit. The novel is set in a future world known as the world state, where technological and scientific advancements have drastically altered society. The world state is characterized by its emphasis on uniformity, control, and the elimination of personal desires. The society is divided into a rigid caste system, with alphas, betas, gammas, deltas, and epsilons, each assigned specific roles and functions. The society is maintained through a combination of advanced technology and psychological conditioning. From birth, citizens are conditioned to accept their roles and the principles of the world state, such as the pursuit of pleasure and the avoidance of discomfort. The conditioning begins with Bokhnovsky's process, which ensures that individuals are genetically engineered to fit their caste roles. Technology plays a central role in the world state's control over its citizens. The government uses various technologies to manipulate and regulate every aspect of life. For example, the use of soma, a drug that provides an instant escape from any negative emotions, ensures that people remain content and docile. The conditioning of individuals is achieved through hypnopedia or sleep teaching. This method is used to instill societal norms and values in children from a young age. Through repeated slogans and messages, people are taught to embrace their roles, reject personal desires, and conform to societal expectations. The novel begins with a tour of the Central London Hatchery and Conditioning Centre, where the genetic and psychological engineering of new humans takes place. The director of hatcheries and conditioning, who oversees this process, demonstrates the advanced techniques used to ensure societal stability. The protagonist, Bernard Marx, is an alpha-plus worker who is physically small and feels out of place in the world state. Bernard is uncomfortable with the society's emphasis on conformity and the suppression of individuality. He is often alienated and experiences a sense of dissatisfaction with his life. Bernard's discomfort leads him to seek out a different experience. He takes Lenina Crown, a beta worker and his love interest, to the Savage Reservation, an area outside the world state where people live in a more traditional, pre-technological way. This journey introduces them to John, the savage, who was born on the reservation but is the son of two world state citizens. John, the central figure in the novel's conflict, represents a stark contrast to the world state's values. He has been raised with the values of Shakespearean drama and traditional morality, which are in direct opposition to the hedonistic and superficial values of the world state. John's arrival in the world state exposes the limitations and flaws of the society. John's reaction to the world state is one of shock and horror. He is appalled by the lack of depth and meaning in the lives of its citizens. His struggle to reconcile his own values with the superficiality he encounters highlights the conflict between individual integrity and societal conformity. Brave New World explores several key themes, including the dangers of totalitarianism, the loss of individuality, and the impact of technology on human relationships. The novel critiques the idea that societal progress should come at the expense of personal freedom and depth of experience. The loss of individuality is a major theme in the novel. In the world state, personal desires and emotions are suppressed to maintain societal stability. The citizens are conditioned to value pleasure and instant gratification above all else, leading to a shallow and conformist society. The impact of technology on human relationships is another critical theme. The novel examines how technological advancements, such as genetic engineering and psychological conditioning, can undermine genuine human connections and reduce individuals to mere cogs in a machine. Soma, a drug used to induce feelings of contentment and euphoria, is central to the world state's control over its citizens. It serves as a tool to prevent any emotional discomfort or dissatisfaction, ensuring that people remain passive and compliant. The concept of instant gratification is pervasive in the world state. Citizens are encouraged to pursue pleasure and avoid any form of pain or inconvenience. This emphasis on immediate pleasure undermines the development of meaningful relationships and personal growth. Bernard Marx's dissatisfaction with the world state's values leads him to rebel against its norms. His alienation and desire for something more meaningful drive